Hello students, welcome again. I am Sridhar. So in the last class we discussed the conversion from binary to octal and binary to hexadecimal. So now I am here to deal with again other conversion is there which is known as octal to binary number or conversion of octal to its equivalent binary number. And how to convert any octal number into its equivalent binary number, that is our discussion today. Say for example, if I write 574 okay base as 8, as you know the octal number which is only ranges from 0 to 7. If you observe 5 7 4 all are in between 0 to 7, that is why yes this is the octal number. How to convert this octal into its equivalent binary number? As you know, we can convert any decimal number into its equivalent binary just by doing, say for example, if it is a 68, I am telling about decimal conversion or decimal to binary. Say 68 is a decimal number because 8 is not within the range of octal. Yes, this is a decimal number. To convert this number into its equivalent binary, what we have did there, we have to divide this number by 2 and take the remainders out like this and store like this. This is how we convert decimal to its equivalent binary. So in this case also we could not convert this octal number directly into its equivalent binary. So first thing we have to do, I write steps here. First we need to convert the octal to decimal first. What we have to do here, first we need to convert octal number into its equivalent decimal, then convert decimal number, okay, decimal to binary as we discussed before. These are the two steps required to convert any octal number into its equivalent binary number. So how to convert this 574 into decimal first? You remember this. First we need to convert octal number into its equivalent decimal number. Here we have to discuss about conversion of octal to decimal first. Later we convert this octal to binary, okay, because without converting this octal into its equivalent decimal we cannot convert this into binary. So convert this number into decimal, that is the conversion of octal to decimal. How to convert this octal number into its equivalent decimal? That is very simple. Any number is given to you, whatever may be the base of that number, you multiply its base with their powers, that becomes a decimal number. In this example we have 574, 5, what is the base? 8 into 8 plus 7 into 8 plus, okay, 4 into 8 with their powers 0 1 2, you will get 5 into 64, okay, plus 7 into 8 plus 4 into 8 to the power 0 is 1. Now you calculate this. 64 into 5, that is 320, okay, plus 7 into 8 is 56, add 4 into 1 is 4. If you add this, what you will get? 380. What is this? 380 is nothing but it is a decimal number. What we have did here, this is the first step, octal to decimal, and here also this is one of the technique to convert octal to decimal conversion, okay. We converted this number into its equivalent decimal. What is the second step here? Decimal to binary. How to convert decimal to binary? What is converted number right here? That is 380. Take that number 380. Convert this 380 into binary. That is by dividing 2 you will get the binary number. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 20. That is remainder will be 0. Okay. 2 nines are 18, 2 fives are 10, remainder will be 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, that remainder will be 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 1, okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 1, 2 5s are 10, okay, remainder is 1, 2 2s are 4, remainder is again 1, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Then we have to write like this, okay. What is the result now? If I write from bottom to top 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, this is a binary number, okay. This is the binary which is equivalent to the octal 574. Yes, this is a binary number, okay. If you have any confusion, then take this number 1011111100, convert into its equivalent octal number. Already we discussed the conversion of binary to octal, right? You take this number and you convert and check, okay. What is the number right here? Number is 1011111100. We need to make the group of 3. In the last class we discussed, okay. Write the particular number. This is 5, okay, this is 7, this is 4. Yes, the conversion is right now, okay. If you observe, if I converted again into its equivalent decimal, this number will be obtained. It means that we have corrected or we have calculated correct, right. This is how conversion of binary to or octal to binary, okay. Fine. So here you learnt one more conversion, which is octal to decimal, correct. Then the next is for if the number is in hexadecimal, how to convert that? Hexadecimal number, hexadecimal, okay, hexadecimal to its equivalent binary. Again same steps you need to follow, that is convert any hexadecimal number. Say for example B2 is a number, this is a hexadecimal number. To convert this into its equivalent binary, same steps you need to follow, that is convert this hexadecimal number into decimal first, okay, decimal. In the second step, convert that obtained decimal number into binary. Same thing, I think you can do this, okay. One trick I will tell you, that if any number system is given, that is for conversion of any number to, I write here, any number to binary, or any number system to its equivalent decimal, okay. For this you should do its base, or I write multiply the given base, multiply base with their powers and add those, that is the trick for conversion of any number to decimal, okay. In the last example you seen that octal to binary conversion, what we did, first we converted octal into decimal and then we converted decimal to binary. If any number is given to you, you need to convert by, say for example here 16 is given, B means what, A means 10, B means 11, 11 into, what is the steps are here, multiply the base with their powers. What is the base here? 16. It is a hexadecimal number, base is given 16, so take 16 plus 2 into 16 power 0 power 1. If you do the calculation, you will get the result and you can do this, okay. It is also same like octal to binary conversion. If the base is 16, multiply it by 16, you will get the equivalent decimal number. Always this is the case, Okay, if the base is 8, what we have to do? If the same case, say for example 2 3 4, base is 8, to convert this into decimal, what we need to do? Multiply 8 to these digits, you will get, say for example 2 into 8 plus 3 into 8 plus 4 into 8, 0 1 2. Any number can be converted into decimal by multiplying its base and add those digits, you will get the equivalent decimal number. I hope this is clear to you. In case of octal to binary, first you need to convert octal number into decimal, then decimal can be converted into binary, that is the equivalent binary number for the given octal number. For the hexadecimal also it is same, you do the calculation, convert this number into its first, you do this and submit to me. Okay, convert this number into its equivalent decimal first, later convert that decimal into binary, that is the resultant number. Okay, then I'll tell you the shortcut for this, how to convert. Again the same thing, that is, say for example, that is octal to, okay, octal to binary. Okay, which was the example I have given first, which is known as 574 I have taken, right? So I will take now. Okay, octal to binary conversion 574 I have taken, right? So I will take the same example 574, which was octal number. Okay, then if this is the number, easily we can convert this into binary. What we did, converted into decimal, decimal can be converted into binary, later that is the equivalent binary number. Directly we can write the binary number by seeing this number. That is how octal number we have to make group of 3. If you remember, group of 3 digits, that is binary digits, right? It means that 5 also have 3 digits, 7 has 3 digits, 4 has 3 digits. So directly if you know conversion, you can write 5. How we can write 5? 101, this is 5 because 4 plus 1 is 5, right? 7 is 111, this is 7. 4 2 plus 1, that is 7. 4 can be written as 101. Yes, this is the binary number. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. One more example I will take. Okay, you remember this, that is 74. If 74 is given in the octal form, how to convert into its equivalent binary? Very simple. 7 means what? 111. 4 means what? 100. Yes, this is the equivalent binary number for the 74. I hope this is clear to you, how to do conversion from octal to binary. Okay, similarly we can convert that hexadecimal to its equivalent binary. How we can do that? Same way, already we discussed how to convert that. Say for example, again if I take B2, this is B. Okay, B2 is a hexadecimal number. How to convert this? First write the value of B. B means what? 11. Okay, 2 means 2. This is hexadecimal number. So write the equivalent binary number for this and write the equivalent binary number for this. You will get the equivalent hexadecimal number. How to write 11? Say I told you 1 2 4 8. Okay, if you want 11, what we have to do? We have to add 8, 2 and 1, that is 1011. Write this 1011, and always digits should be 4 in this case. Total 4 digits should be there. Here 3 digits was there, correct? For 2 also we have to write 4 digits, that is 2. Where is 2? Here is 2. For 2 what we have to do? Put 0 here, 4th place also 0, 2th place you write 1, and in the last place you need to write 0, that is the equivalent number 0010. Yes, this is the binary number for B2 and 16. This is how we can convert any number system or octal to binary and also hexadecimal to binary. I hope this is clear to you. Okay, thank you.